Good morning, welcome back. A couple packages arrived for the van. One in particular I'm like really happy and excited to get, but I have to run this thing through the car wash. I think it's the psychedelic car wash, or maybe it's a rainbow car wash. But I don't know when the thing's had a bath last. It hasn't, you know, it's sat all winter. I got it, and who knows, maybe sometime last year, maybe. But I need to clean it up this morning, and then I want to get out that package and do something here. I'm down here at this Memorial Park in New Kensington, Pennsylvania. Bella didn't come with us yet. Probably get her later, but this park, the sign at the front said no dogs allowed. No dogs allowed in this park. Not on leash, don't matter. There's just... So, just as well she didn't come for now, but anyway, what else? Let's get moving. Okay. I might as well go ahead and show you these. And these were really cheap. We're going to upgrade those old ghetto covers, and we're going to put these... I got these online for a set of 4. It was only $39.99. Free shipping, so just under 10 bucks a wheel. Yeah, I'm gonna run it through the car wash and pop them things on, and we're gonna give that a new look. And I got some other things coming, and there are also some other packages, a bunch of stuff I ordered this morning that'll be here tomorrow or the next day. I have a bunch of stuff coming for the van. This is going to be this is going to start coming together pretty quick all of a sudden, and I'll show you in the back a little bit better too. I made some more progress. It's starting to look pretty good back there. Oh man, what I spent! I think I did a Walmart trip. I painted, and I probably spent about $356 at Walmart yesterday on like furnishings and other stuff. Got privacy curtain up now, and I hate to say it, I probably, for the kitchenette and other related items that I'm going to build, probably another $600 on Amazon. So but you know, it's still, compared to other van builds, it's still going to be sort of budget friendly. I mean, some people put thousands and thousands into these things, and I don't know if I can keep it under 1,000, but maybe 15-ish. If I can do that total everything, I'll be okay with that. So yeah, let the shopping begin. Lots of stuff coming. Okay, we're pulling into the get-go. And the last time I was here, I was really surprised because, you know, just to make it, there's cool effects. So when the foam sprays on, I don't know if they have a bunch of, you know, crazy colored lights and stuff, but, well, hang on, we'll see if it's still that way or not. We'll know in a minute. Okay, we're all paid.
Press the go button to start your wash.
Alright. I hope they still have the lights, because it was really cool last time. I thought I'd run it through here because, you know, it takes some elbow grease to get the layer of grime off that's on this thing. So this will do a lot of the scrubbing for me. Nothing like a good hand wash to, you know, pressure washing just don't cut it. Come on, when's it begin? Let me see the foam with all the, oh, here we go, cool, look. Okay, there's red, then green, then blue, then red, then green, then blue. This is fun. Special effects car wash. And that's all. That was the highlight of our car wash, okay? So, oh, hang on, them brushes are gonna come. Oh, this thing will probably shine. Come on, where's the brushes and stuff? Come on, here they come. I hear them. Washy. Oh, yay! wonderful experience, right? Oh yeah. Scrub it up. Scrub it good. Oh, we got red. We got red over here. I'm amused pretty easily, aren't I? Ooh, red. I like this car wash. Oh, now the turbo dryer. Oh, this is so loud. Green light. Okay, we can go. Yeah, that guy's truck sure is shining. Wow, that looks a little brighter and whiter. Alright, I gotta go get the wheel covers on. Look at that shine. Okay, already popped these old ones off. We'll be back for that one in a minute. Okay, if you ever get these plastic, you know, they're just plastic, but I mean, they have a real nice chrome appearance. they're very nice looking, but they have these metal rings, that gold colored ring in the bottom of the box, so you have to install that on all of them. Otherwise it goes on real easy, which means it will come off real easy. I just hit a bump and you'll lose it. So gotta make sure you install these metal rings that goes on nice and tight like it's supposed to. So let's go check it out. All right, ugly old wheel. I'll have to get some of that nice tire black. Gives it that nice black wet look. All right, there's the valve stem. Here's a little notch for the valve stem. Look at those. They look nice. How about that? Huh? That or that? I like it. All right, let me get the other ones popped on here. We'll have a look. All right, well, the van looks cleaner. I gotta get that tar. You know, I gotta get that tar off of here yet. But at least the light road grime is off of it. Yep, still gotta get to them bumpers. How's that looking? That gives the van a little fresher, newer look. I like it. $39.99. Well, that was fun. One more step towards a better van. Okay, it's a little messy in here. I don't know if it's the best lighting either. I'll give you a quick look though. I got boxes and hang on. Okay, there's a box with a unmentionable in it, and oops, this table. I got this little table thing. Which fell over. I'm gonna use that for my laptop for the time being. But yeah, I can't wait to get the back doors done. I'm gonna paint those. You notice I painted black you know, that was all white. So I painted those all black. And the doors are going to be a whole nother, there's the back doors and the side doors. I'm going to have to tape off the glass and paint those black as well. And then like the door inserts, like, you know, on the lower part there and there, well, I have to stuff them full of insulation first. And then I'll make them door panels out of the same wood I used here, and paint them gray too. So yeah, both walls, ceiling. I didn't quite finish the ceiling in the very back there yet because I'm probably gonna put a fan in up there, so I'll get to that. But I think with the doors black and the gray inserts in the bottom, plus I do have a rod and privacy curtains for the back, and junk. Oh, I got a microwave. Yeah, and my battery thing I have too actually powers the microwave. And so yeah, I gotta finish getting this bed done. What else? Oh, and the painting. I need to move some of this stuff here. And too, just to get rid of those ugly white wheel wells. And I will have to put some of that flexible insulation. I'll have to insulate those wheel wells at some point. But, you know, for now, just to kind of make things start coming together and matching, I did get the wheel wells all painted black, so I think it's starting to look much, much better. So what else? More Amazon packages coming today. And WeatherTech stuff, and I don't know what else coming. Jeez. Today and tomorrow, and all right, I'm gonna get back because I need to get to work on this bed. I want to get this done today. See what happens. Here's another upgrade I'm considering, is replacing the, actually this is one-stop shopping almost. There's, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go there, but I want to upgrade the stereo in the van. Right now we just have this generic AM FM. There's no auxiliary input, there's no USB, there's no CD player. It only has 4 presets. It's just the most generic one available in these work vans from Ford. So I want to get a one that has a screen and the maps, you know, like Google Maps or whatever. But I think I want to upgrade this, so I'm going to shop around for those. And right next door, I already stopped. There's a Highland Tire bought this. This used to be a Firestone dealer, and there's Highland Tire over there. They have another location down over the hill. I've been a customer for years, but when Firestone closed this, Highland Tire purchased this facility, and they have pretty new equipment, newly trained technicians, and so I scheduled an appointment to get the front end alignment on the van. Now, the van's pretty solid. I don't hear any rattles, or it doesn't shimmy or shake or anything. The front end feels solid, but it just seems to favor slightly. It just seems to favor the left a little bit. So it's been around long enough. It's probably hitting up potholes and stuff. It might have knocked the alignment out a little bit. So I want to get that alignment just, you know, dead on and make sure that's running right. So we're getting this van taken care of, dang it. Back to the stereo for a minute, the upgrade to the newer stereo and onboard navigation. I'll probably upgrade the speakers. It has speakers in the front doors, but it had optional speakers for the back doors, and there's cutouts already in them. You can see right here. So I might put back speakers in it. Let's say I'm going to repaint these doors black, put the insert, I'll cut out the insert for, or panel for it, paint that gray to match the inside here, and put the speakers in the back door. It'll be like a matching set. 4 new speakers, 4 new upgraded speakers. And this looks like a probably 5 by 7. It's not the bigger 6 by 9s. It's actually like 5 by 7.5. So we're just gonna shop. I'm just shopping right now. I don't know how much. I don't know if I'm gonna go spend a lot of money on a real high end, but maybe something a little better than what's in there. I may just do the front speakers. We'll see what happens. Oh well, I guess they don't carry car audio anymore. So, yeah, I'll have to find the car audio somewhere else. So, come on, seatbelt, cooperate. So I guess they don't have car audio anymore. It's just home stuff, home systems and old systems, and they have like an I don't know if I can call it antique section, but and I guess it's a repair place too. So no more car audio at Butch's, huh? Okay, I'm developing skills a little bit. Okay, I remade these the right height from the floor, but I added 6 inches on, and I'm gonna put like a little mini headboard across here, and screw it from the back side. You won't see it from the front side, and what? Yeah, it'll just be a little mini headboard, and and that'll give it a little bit more stability, you know, left and right. So I'm getting a little better at this. Anyway, oh, what's this? Amazon driver was just here. 2 more packages. I'll get to those later, and I know there's more tomorrow and the following day. A lot of stuff's gonna start coming in and going together here quick, so I'm a little more excited about this than the in the beginning. All the wall insulating and paneling and floors, like that was a long haul, but I'm feeling a little better now. Anyway, I gotta just do a little bit more, put a couple things away, and go over. I have that appointment to get the front end alignment done back over across the river. So we'll pick this video up at a later time. Oh, Bella. Bella, come here. Bella. Oops. Hey, Bella. Hey, girl. Say, she's stretching. She'll be right back. There she is. Was you stretching? Was you stretching? Oh. We might get this bed together today. Get some foam on it, sheets, pillow. She'd be all excited. All right, we'll be back later. I'll see you in the next video.